Okay, the problem you're doing is rotating a region that is above the x-axis from A to B. You're rotating it around the y-axis, okay, and you can use the shell method to do that. Okay, the volume of such a region is the integral from A to B. Okay, that's the values on your x-axis that the region is between, of 2 pi x f of x dx. Okay, this is the graphs on Desmos, graphed on Desmos. This is y equals x squared in red. Okay, blue is y equals 2. Okay, in green is x equals 0. Okay, and you want this region enclosed by all three. Okay, so I labeled that in green. Okay, you want this region rotated around the y-axis. Okay, so we're going to use this formula. So volume equals the integral from A to B. Okay, so A to B, that would be from 0 to 1. Okay, of 2 pi. Okay, times x times f of x. Now f of x is what the region is underneath, which is x squared. And then dx. So we just need to simplify this. We need to evaluate this. Okay, what I would do, I would take that 2 pi and I would put it in front since it's a constant. Okay, so we have 2 pi times the integral from 0 to 1. Now x to the first times x to the second is x to the third. Okay, so we have 2 pi times the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the third dx. Okay, so we just evaluate that. Okay, the integral of x to the third, okay, add 1 to 3, that's x to the fourth. And you would put 1/4 in front. So 1/4 x to the fourth. Evaluated at 1 and at 0 and subtracting. So it's 2 pi. Okay, if we put 1 in for x, we're going to get 1/4 times 1 to the fourth. Okay, and then minus, we're going to put 0 in for x, 1/4 times 0 to the fourth. Okay, evaluating inside the parentheses. Okay, 1/4 times 1 to the fourth. Okay, 1 to the fourth is 1. So 1/4 times 1 is 1 to the fourth. Okay, if you put 0 in for x, 0 to the fourth is 0. So that actually just turns out to all be 0. So it's 1/4 minus 0. So our answer is simply 2 pi times 1/4. Okay, we could simplify that. Okay, we could take 2 pi, think of 1 over 4 times 2. Okay, 2 over 1 times 1 over 4 would be 1/2. So our final answer would be 1/2 pi or pi over 2, either one. Okay, but the volume of that region revolved around the y-axis would have a volume of pi over 2. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.